Oh. Milk. Don't get milk. I can't breathe.
Are you okay?
What's going on? She's getting back in the lip. Banging that shots about excited today. Don't mind the light, but we finna do this one chip challenge, y'all. I mean, we finna do this word how this gummy bear challenge. So I got my cousin with me because I'm not doing this by myself this time. Y'all know last time I almost died doing this by myself. We just gonna, y'all, just pray for us. Y'all just pray for us because we is finna do this, so. Got the gummy bear. You ready?
Y'all ready? We need to get some milk or something.
No milk.
No drink.
Nothing. Y'all, we got the gummy bear. This is finna be crazy. It's a little hard. We need to cut it. We need a knife. We'll be right. So y'all, I split it in half. Got our piece. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Whew. Oh. God, you be hurt. Milk, don't get milk. Good. We need a cup. Oh my God. Let's go.
Where's up?
Where yours at?
I hate it.
Oh. Oh. No, I'm finna lose. Oh my God.
No, y'all don't eat that. Don't eat that. Don't eat that. Y'all, it ain't going away. It ain't going away.
Somebody call the police now.
When you drink milk.
You good? Hell no. Oh shit. Be calm, be calm, be calm. Be calm, be calm. Should I try to put mine back in my mouth? Oh my God.
It's not going around for lose my mind.
It's not. Sorry. Sorry. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh, we can't. We gotta keep going to the top.
I don't know if it's getting worse for y'all. Oh my God.
Don't do that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sexual grabbing on Sudi.
Y'all, do not, I recommend do not eat that.
You swallowed yours. I spit mine out. Sorry.
I gotta get another cup. I died.
Sorry.
I can't drink the milk. I gotta get some milk.
I need a popsicle. Get the popsicle. Don't do that. Yeah, I'm telling y'all now. Unless y'all want to die, do not do that. You want to be cousin? That ain't it.
It's getting worse.
That bitch thinking. I think we might have to go to the hospital. We gotta go to the hospital. Sorry. We gotta go to the hospital, bro. Grabbing all the food.
It's going away. It's not.
Nah, bro. No, bro. No. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Sorry. Who my phone? I gotta call the police. Don't do that, y'all. Please.
Man, I thought it was going away. No. What a parcel.
Y'all don't do this challenge for real. Don't do this. It won't get you nowhere. Feel like I'm in hell right now. You good? No, bro. You good now?
I'm good.
I'm good. Not all the way.
Y'all, I'm not. It won't focus, but do not. I mean, not. DJ, get up. You okay? Get up. Yeah, I think this worse than the hot chip.
No, bro.
They not.
Nah, bro.
No matter how much water you drink, that don't help nothing.
I swear to God, I'm finna pass out. You hot?
It's just my stomach on fire. I'm tingling in my head.
Cousin, be good.
Okay, what is the popsicle?
I think I'm good now.
I swallowed mine, boy.
I spit mine out. Y'all, I'm telling y'all right now, do not do the world hottest gummy bear. Don't do the world hottest gummy bear. The one chip challenge. Don't do none of that. Because I can tell you right now, you won't make it.
Like I said, once again, do not
Do that challenge for real.
listen to the warning, man.
Yeah, for real, don't do that. Unless you want to die tonight.
And it won't go away.
You good? I ain't good.
My stomach on fire, boy.
Alright, y'all. We'll get better, y'all. Cool. It coming down now, but we'll get better, y'all.
We're officially good.
Yeah. Alright, y'all. So, we is officially calmed and cooled down.
But y'all, we back. As y'all can see, we good now. Our mouth not burning no more. But it was on fire. I would recommend y'all to not try that, cause.
But yeah, y'all, I'm chilling now. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I'm out.